Gadgets are always an important part of our daily life. We use gadgets in daily life for temporary and permanent use. These gadgets make a great impact in our society and make our daily life simple. Like this, we will show you some of the cool 7 gadgets for your knowing purpose. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. So welcome to Mystery Gadgets, and we show you cool gadgets. The first gadget of the video is X Screen Folding Screen. Play games on your Xbox everywhere you go with the X Screen Folding Screen. This gaming gadget is a fully integrated folding display that seamlessly attaches onto the Xbox Series S. As a result, it transforms your device into a laptop-like device, making it easy to transport and game anywhere there's a power outlet. It won't require additional cords or a messy installation. Instead, the patent-pending attachment connects directly into the HDMI and USB ports on your gaming device. The second gadget is Cool Human Hands-Free Portable Misting Body Cooler. Stay cool and beat the heat with the Cool Human Hands-Free Portable Misting Body Cooler. Designed to blow both air and mist simultaneously under a shirt, it offers evaporative cooling whenever you need it. Moreover, its compact design with one-button variable control puts you in the driver's seat, so you can adjust the wind and misting outputs accordingly. In fact, this gadget includes 3 wind speed settings and up to 10 hours of cooling on a single charge. The third gadget is Mophie 3-in-1 stand for MagSafe charger. Charge your favorite Apple gadgets all at once with the Mophie 3-in-1 stand for MagSafe charger. It offers 3 dedicated and simultaneous charging spots for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. All you have to do is fit your MagSafe charger onto the stand and you get charging convenience. The magnetic array ensures the correct placement of the devices and even supports iPhone cases up to 3 mm thick. Moreover, it works with iPhone 12, Apple Watch, and AirPods models. The fourth gadget is Baseus Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Ensure you can pump your car tires on the go with the Baseus Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Unlike typical inflators, this car accessory actually fits in your pocket or backpack thanks to its compact design. It's also cordless and features 2 high-capacity 2000 mAh batteries, so you can rely on it in an emergency. In fact, you can charge the batteries with the included micro USB to USB-C cable. What's more, an LED digital display displays your car's tire pressure with just a touch. And, in dark situations, the bright LED light at the top of the device illuminates the space in front of you. The next gadget is Louis Vuitton Horizon Light Up Speaker. Enjoy stylish audio with the Louis Vuitton Horizon Light Up Speaker. This portable speaker gives you up to 360 degrees of directional audio with its included dock. But even more impressive is this signature fashion brand's design. It features a one-of-a-kind conical shape that gets its inspiration from the brand's Tupi handbag. What's more, the exterior boasts the LV monogram and features both leather and metal components. The sixth gadget is Dr. Klobo Telehealth Camera. Manage your health better from the comfort of your home with the Dr. Klobo Telehealth Camera. This device provides at-home checkups for hard-to-reach areas. Using the Dr. Klobo, you can see a close-up of the inside of your mouth, the back of your scalp, behind and in your ears, paws, wounds, and more. So you don't have to struggle taking pictures of these areas with a phone. The last gadget of the video is Formamo MO2 Series Portable Pocket Printer. Print anything, anywhere with the Formamo MO2 Series Portable Pocket Printer. Super compact at just about 3 inches square and 2 inches tall, it uses a thermal printing method that requires no ink. Connecting via Bluetooth 4.0, it works with both Android and iOS devices. So all you have to do is decide what words, photos, or drawings you want to print using the Formamo app. We had showed you some of the cool gadgets in this video. We believe that you liked this video. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. So we Mystery Gadgets signing off. Thank you.